Welcome to Cryptoland News. First up, on Tuesday, the cryptoasset market crashed further. Bitcoin fell to USD 20,800 before it was able to trim some of its losses. As the market prepares for an unusual 75 basis point rate increase from the U.S. Federal Reserve on Wednesday, the significant sell-off occurred. At 1447 UTC, Bitcoin was at USD 22,162, down by 5% over the last 24 hours and close to 30% over the past 7 days. Ethereum traded at USD 1,203. This was a 1% decline for the day and 35% for week. According to data from the derivatives exchange CME Group, the likelihood of the Fed raising rates by 75 basis points has increased over the past Monday. The probability that the Fed will raise rates by 75 basis points at its current meeting, which ends on Wednesday, has increased from 21.7% Monday to 91% according to the CME FedWatch tool. Bitcoin investors have suffered a terrible year this year. If it is any comfort, however, many in the stock market have also suffered. Bitcoin is down 52% year to date, but many companies in the important S&P 500 stock market index have actually fallen significantly over the same period. These are the S&P 500 stocks that have performed worse year to date than Bitcoin. Data from TradingView's stock screening program at the time of recording is shown in descending order. There are still investors who are more lucky than Bitcoin holders, as can be seen. However, the S&P 500 is made up of 500 companies. We can find only 9 companies that performed worse this year than Bitcoin. It's safe to assume that most stock market investors have done better than Bitcoin investors. South Korean financial regulators and the government seem determined to ensure May's Terra ecosystem collapse, which they have dubbed Terra/Luna, is a turning point for the crypto sector. There are a slew new regulations. The newly appointed head of a major regulatory body led the call for changes and promised to make sure that investors have more fairness. A new government-appointed regulatory body will soon be launched, which will be responsible for policing crypto. Reported that the body is tentatively called Digital Assets Committee and could be launched in the next 2 weeks. This body, unlike other financial regulators who also deal with traditional finance-related matters, will be entirely focused on the policing the crypto market. It will also be responsible for forming industry policy. So this is today's most important news. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive the latest cryptocurrency news. Share this video to your friends and see you in the next video.